Hi, I'm Julie, PTL for Sport at Callyworth College. We offer a range of sport courses for all interests and abilities, ranging from A-level PE, Level 3 Sport and Level 2 Sport. We also offer sports academies for those of you that want to play competitive sport, and the Health, Wellbeing and Sport programme for those of you that just want to keep fit and active around your studies. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about A-level PE and then pass to my colleagues to talk about Level 3 Sport, Level 2 Sport and the sports academies. A-level PE, we follow the AQA syllabus. It is divided into 70% theory and 30% practical. The 70% theory focuses on 3 areas of sport: anatomy and physiology, sport psychology and sport in society. We study these for 2 years, 3 lessons a week, and they are examined at the end of the second year on 2 papers. 30% is your practical. 15% of that is your practical ability in a full competitive situation. So it's really important that you play sport regularly so you can provide video evidence of you playing at the highest level possible. The remaining 50% is a piece of written coursework where you look at your weaknesses, compare them to an elite performer, and then look to areas of the syllabus to discuss the cause of that weakness and corrective measures on how to improve. The entry requirements onto A-level PE are 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or above, with a 6 in English and a 5 in maths. So why would you want to study A-level PE? You can study it alongside 2 other A-levels with a focus to go on to university to study things like sports psychology, sports therapy, physiotherapy, PE teaching, sports coaching, or you may choose just to do it as a 3rd A-level and follow a completely different route from your other 2 A-levels. So if A-level PE is not for you, maybe you need to hear from my colleague about Level 3 Sport, and I'll pass you over.
Thanks, Julie. Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm one of the sport lecturers at Callyworth College, and I'm going to be talking to you about the Level 3 Extended Diploma in Sport qualification that we run. So it is a 2-year-long programme and it is the equivalent to 3 A-levels. So what we need is 4 4s to get onto our course, okay? So we need you to get a 4 in either English or maths. So for instance, if you were to get a 4 in English and a 3 in maths, whilst you're with us, you will retake your GCSE maths and your timetable will allow that. Okay. In terms of course units, across the 2 years, you will study 14 different units, 10 of which are assignment based and 4 of which are exam based. So you'll study 5 assignment based units in the first year and 2 exam based units in the first year too. Okay, these are the variety of different units that you will cover. And in terms of exams, you will have an exam in anatomy and physiology, so all about the body, and that's a normal style exam, okay? So it's long answered questions, short answered questions, and it's an hour-and-a-half paper, and you'll sit that normally in January. The second exam is training and programming, and that is looking at somebody's lifestyle and giving recommendations based on what they are doing, okay? 6 questions. It's a slightly different exam because the 6 questions never change. You get to take in 4 pages of notes with you. You get your part of the case study 2 weeks before the exam, so you kind of know what you're going into and you can apply the knowledge that you have learned across the year in the exam, and that exam is normally in May. Okay, so why do this course? So if you're looking to go down the PE teacher route, the coaching, maybe a sports therapist, this qualification is for you. It will allow you to go off to university, it will allow you to go to and do an apprenticeship. And also what we advise is your course will be 4 days a week, and it means you'll get 1 day as a study day. So you might use that study day to study and to complete assignments, because again, it's quite a theory heavy course. Or you might use your time to go and get some work experience, or you might use it to go and get a part-time job, okay? So whilst you're here with us as well on the Level 3 Sport programme, we'd also like you to be involved in one of the academies, and your timetable will be specifically timetabled so that you can be involved in one of those academies. And that is where you get the majority of your practical element from, okay? There we go. Hopefully we will see you soon.
Hello, I'm Richard Siverter, one of the sports lecturers at Callyworth College, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the Level 2 Sport Progression course. So the sport course itself is run by BTEC, and it's worth 2 GCSEs, and in the 1-year programme that you'll be studying this, you'll also be taking maths and English alongside this to the required Level 4 standard. So within the sport programme, You'll be studying a range of units, mainly a coursework, and there are 2 examination units that you do that require you to sit an online test. So you'll be learning about topics such as fitness testing, fitness training, anatomy and physiology, and there are a range of units based on coaching and leadership where we try to engage local agencies such as the Cornwall Sports Partnership and local schools, so you are actively applying what you've learnt in the classroom with real life situations within those organisations. Alongside of your study programme, you're still welcome to join academies and take part in all the extracurricular activity that you would do normally as well. The course is a progression course, so the intention would be hopefully that you would progress on to the level 3 sport course. However, we do have students that then could lead into apprenticeships or straight employment in the sport industry, working in such as leisure centre or a gym-based environment. So hopefully it gives you a little insight into what the course entails.